Good morning, students. Today we will start chapter number 2, polynomials. Okay, what do you mean by the polynomials? What do you mean by the polynomials? Okay, first we have poly. Poly means we have many. What we have? Many. And nomials means we have terms. And the proper definition of polynomial will be, it is an algebraic expression which have many finite terms. Okay, and why do we know the finite? Those things which are the countable, which we can count, are known as finite, or which we can not count, we are known as infinite. Okay, now here this is the proper definition of polynomial. Okay, it is an algebraic expression which have many finite terms. Okay, now here I will ask you that what do you mean by the algebraic expression? Okay, I will tell you what do you mean by the algebraic expression. I can write the combination of variables and constants with 4 basic operations, and the 4 basic operations are plus, minus, multiply, and last I have divide. Okay, here in this thing, polynomial is expressed, or we can say it is denoted by fx, gx, rx, qx, and etc. Okay, understood? Now here next I have again algebraic expression. The combination of variables and constants with 4 basic operations are known as algebraic expressions. Now here I will ask you about the variables. What do you mean by the variables? Okay, now I will tell you about the variables. The variable word arises from vary, and vary means change. Okay, we can write vary, V-A-R-Y, or we can say change. Anything, I can write anything which changes, or I can write varies according to the condition. Understood? And it is denoted by x, y, z. Okay, etc. Now next we will talk about the constants. I can write anything which is fixed in every condition, or you can say any condition. Every condition, and it is denoted by A, B, C, D, etc. Understood? First we have discovered the polynomials, then after algebraic expression, then after variables, then after constants. Understood? Next we will talk about degree of polynomial. Degree of polynomial. Why do we have the degree of polynomial? I can write highest power of the variable. Highest power of the variable is known as degree of polynomial. For example, I have, let's suppose I have an polynomial px 3x by quartic plus 6x minus 5. Okay, 3x by quartic plus 6x minus 5. Here highest power of variable we have x, and highest power I have 4, so I can write degree of polynomial will be 4. Highest power of variable, and here variable is x, that is equals to 4. So degree of polynomial is 4. Understood? Any problem? Now next I have coefficient of variable. Coefficient of variable. Okay, now what do we mean the coefficient of variable? We can say the multiple of variable is known as coefficient of variable. Multiple of variable is known as coefficient of variable. For example, I have, let's suppose I have any polynomial fx 6x cube minus 5x square plus 4x minus 3. Okay, here the variable we have x and x cube, and the multiple of x cube I have 6, so I can write coefficient of x cube is 6. Okay, but I can write coefficient of x cube is 6. And coefficient of x square I have minus 5. Coefficient of x square I have minus 5, and coefficient of x I have 4, or I can write plus 4. Okay, degree of polynomial and coefficient of variable. Understood? Next time we will discuss about types of polynomial. Polynomials are classified on the basis of two parts, on the basis of terms and on the basis of degree. On the basis of terms and on the basis of degree. And on the basis of degree, triangle polynomials we have, first I have monomial, second I have binomial, third I have trinomial, fourth I have quadrinomial. Okay, in monomial, number of terms I have 1. How many terms I have? 1. For example, 6x. Okay, 6x is the single term, or we can tell this that it is a monomial. Okay, mono means one and nomials means I have one. So complete thing we have polynomial which have only single term, or you can say one term, is known as monomial. Binomial we have, bi means we have two. Any polynomial which have two terms, any polynomial which have two terms, 10x minus 5, or we can write 10x power 9. Here this will depend on the terms, this will not depend on the degree. Okay, you can take degree anything. In this first example monomial, I can write 10x 9999. Here this complete expression we have monomial. Okay, now third I have trinomial. Tri I have 3 and nomials means I have terms. Any polynomial which have 3 terms is known as trinomial. I have 3x square minus 5x plus 6. Here 3 terms we have 3x square minus 5x and last we have plus 6. Okay, understood? And quadrinomial we have 4 terms. How many terms I have? 4 terms. You can take any of the example of quadrinomial with on your own. Okay, now here we will discover on the basis of degree. First I have linear polynomial. What I have? Linear polynomial. This will depend on the degree, this will not depend on the term. Understood? The general form is ax plus b where a is not equals to 0, and degree of this variable will always be 1. That's why it is known as linear polynomial. Understood? You can take any of the example for this. Let's suppose I have 5x plus 6. Okay, you can write 5x also because this is dependent on the degree, not terms. Okay, you can take term 2, 1, anything. Here the degree of this variable is 1, so this whole expression is known as linear polynomial. Understood? Now next I have quadratic polynomial, or we can say square. This is also known as square. Okay, the general form will be ax square plus bx plus c where a is not equals to 0, where a is not equals to 0. Okay, and the degree for quadratic degree must be 2. How much degree we have? 2. Okay, example I have 9x square minus 8x plus 6. Okay, this depends on the degree, not term. You can write 9x square also. Okay, now third I have cubic. Third I have cubic polynomial. In this cubic polynomial, general form will be ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d where a is not equals to 0. a कभी भी 0 नहीं होगा. Understood? For example, I have 20x cube minus 19x square plus 6x minus 5. Okay, understood? These are types of polynomials on the basis of terms and on the basis of degree.